Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Wrestling League. Starting five of Team John's former force, wearing jersey number 17, Nosh Omar. Jersey number 0, Alvin Espino. Jersey number 18, Justin Depamilo. Jersey number 8, Kimberly Kong. And jersey number 3, Ryan Bell. And starting five of 7 stakes, Tomahawk. Jersey number 30, Clayton Lowe. Jersey number 17, A.A. Hasiman. Jersey number 3, Aldon Elumba. Jersey number 5, Ronel Basili. And jersey number 25, Prince Timano. Mosims, good luck!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Wednesday League. First match of Johan's Parma Force versus 7 Stakes Tomahawks. First possession on 7 Stakes, Basiri. Pass to Clayton, and there's a foul.
Jersey number. Paul jersey number 3, Albon. Ryan Bader first knockout.
At the line, jersey number 30, that is Clayton Lau. First basket on 7 Stakes Tomahawks. Kong. Steal by jersey number 25 to Ronel Basiri. Steal by Nash Omar. Good for 2 by Nash Omar. Ronel Basiri down. Dribbles the ball. Stop and bound on the mid-range. No good. Dribble by Clayton. Clayton to Asiman. Asiman, no good. Asiman again. Wiping. Ayan, offensive foul. Ni Kuya A.A. Asiman. Nash Omar. 3 points, no good. Dribble by Clayton. Basiri dribbles the ball. Basiri. Jersey number 3, back to Basiri. Basiri. To Lau. Basiri. Basiri again. Fake. No good. Nash Omar. Nash Omar. Spin move. And gets the board. Basket to count by Nash Omar. Jersey number 25, there's the bump to Dimano, to Asiman. Asiman out of bounds, Johan's Parma Force ball. Shout out, Angelo Alvuro. Shout out sa'yo. Nash Omar. Nash Omar, spin move again. No good. Rebound by Basiri. Steal by Nash Omar. No good. Basiri to Dimano. 3 points. 3 points is brought to you by Amanda BPH. Kong. Pass to Nash Omar. Nash Omar for 3. No good. Basiri now. Basiri. Clayton Lau. Lau, mid-range jumper, no good. Asiman, wala pa rin. Asiman pa rin. Good for 2. Grabe. Grabe hustle ni Kuya A.A. Asiman.
Remaining time 7 minutes. Official minutes 446, 2.37 State Tomahawks.
So 4-6, 2-point lead by 7-6 Tomahawks. Kong. Good for 2. Kong, good for 2 by Kong. Kong tie scores the game. Or deadlock 6-all. Under the first quarter rather. Clayton Lau. Good for 2, grabe. Nash Amar.
14 shooting.
Jersey number 3.
Shot clock.
Kong.
5 shooting.
Pass to Nash Omar. Nash Omar. Diretsong solo. Grabe, Nash Omar.
Shooting.
Clayton Lau. And there's a foul. Basket count.
Third foul on jersey number 3. Second foul on jersey number 3. Second personal foul.
Jersey number 3. There's Ryan Bayot. Second personal foul. Under of our first quarter. Clayton Lau missed the one free throw. Ryan Bayot, diretso. Ryan Bayot, wala pa rin. Rebound by A.A. Asiman. Clayton Lau, and there's a foul.
Number 18.
Foul. First personal foul de Pamilo. At the line, jersey number 30 again. Clayton Lau. Basket 1 by Clayton Lau. No good for the last throw. Nash Omar dribbles the ball. Nash Omar make his play. Nash Omar spin move. In and out. Basiri. Basiri to Clayton Lau. Clayton Lau again. Grabe. Basiri to Lau. Connection. So 7 stakes Tomahawks lead this first quarter 13-8. Depa Milo good for 2. Basiri now. Basiri to Dimaano. Dimaano to Basiri. Basiri parts the 3. No good. Rebound by Bayot. To Kong. Kong to Depa Milo. Back to Kong to Ryan Bayot. Fires the 3. No good. Still by Basiri. Dimaano fires the 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Kong. Kong pass to Ryan Bayot. Grabe. Good for 2 by Ryan Bayot. Leads down to 1. 12-13, 7 Tomahawks lead. Clayton Lau, and there's a foul. Jersey number 0, that is Espina.
Espina first foul, warning for penalty. Jones, warning for penalty. 2 shots.
So, under the penalty, Jones Parma Force under our first quarter. Again, at the free throw line, Clayton Lau. He complete the 2-point free throw by Clayton Lau. 3-point lead by 7-6 Tomahawks. Tepa Milo.
14 shooting.
Pass to Kong.
10
Ryan Bayot. No good.
remaining time 3 minutes.
Basiri. Still by Ryan Bayot. Pass to Nash Omar. To Kong. Kong. To Tepa Milo. Grabe. Unselfish play.
3 seconds.
Itong Johan Sparma Force.
14 shot clock.
Basiri. To Timaano. Back to Basiri. Basiri.
9 to shoot.
Basiri fires the 3. No good. Rebound by Clayton Lau. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Nash Omar.
And there's a foul on number 17, Hasiman, second personal foul.
Second personal foul on Nasiman.
2 minutes 19 seconds to end the first quarter.
They're down to 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Then our first quarter. Kong.
14 shooting.
Pass to Ryan Bayot. Fires the 3. No good. Rebound by Ronald Basiri. Basiri. Teardrop. Basket is good.
Basiri.
Grabe. Hatid sa inyo ng Kamayan Chill and Grill. Grabe.
1 minute 50 seconds.
Nash Omar.
10 shooting.
Nash Omar. Mid-range jumper. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Clayton Lau. Clayton Lau to Dimaano. To Basiri.
14 shooting.
Hasiman to Dimaano.
10 shot clock.
10 on the shot clock. Dimaano. And there's a foul.
Penalty. Paul jersey number 0, Albany Espina. Second personal foul. Penalty. 2 shots.
Foul on Espina. Second personal foul on Espina.
20 points.
At the line, jersey number 25. That is Renz Dimaano. No good, but nandun si Clayton. Wow, grabe. Hustle play. Hustle rebound rather by Clayton Lau. So 6-point lead by 7-6 Tomahawks. Nash Omar, dribble the ball. Pass to Kong, fires the 3. No good. Rebound by Hasiman. Pass to Rodel Basiri.
55 seconds. 50 seconds. Penalty. Downfall. Jersey number 0.
Again.
Aldrin Espina.
Third personal foul.
Play 50 seconds.
So foul trouble on John's Pharmacy. At the line, jersey number 5, Ronel Basiri. Rebound pa rin ni Clayton Lau. Grabe.
With 32 points. Seconds play. 40 seconds left.
Nash Omar. Dribbles the ball. Nash Omar.
Seconds. 10 shooting 30.
Nash Omar. Mid-range jumper. Basket is good. 25 seconds. Clayton Lau. Ronel Basiri.
5 seconds.
5. Grabe, logo shot ni Ronel Basiri. Grabe. Ronel Basiri, 3 points to end the first quarter. So, Wednesday League would like to thank the following sponsor: John's Pharmacy, Kamayan Chill and Grill, Top Barber Shop Zamboanga, Cinnabon Laundry Shop, Brit and Cheater, C of Go Fitness rather, Palo, Amanda Babe, PH, Binalo de Zamboanga, Asadores, Centrally, Mood, Dong Inasal, and Master Sardines. Thank you for supporting Wednesday League.
Boy ball 7-3, John Sparta Force Zone.
So, starting for our second quarter, Espina to Romarate. Back to Espina to Ryan Bayot. Ryan Bayot to Dipa Milo. No good. Basiri.
14 shooting.
Basiri. Step back. No good. Depa Milo. Espina to Ryan Bayot. Romarate, no good. Di maano. Use his body. Good for 2. Grabe. Espina to Depa Milo rather. Good for 2 to Depa Milo. 18-28, leads by 7 stakes Tomahawks. Ronel Basiri, grabe yung fake spin, sabay shot, grabe Ronel Basiri. Depa Milo, 10 on the shot clock to Romarate. Romarate to jersey number 9, no good. Ronel Basiri. Basiri. Step back to Avila. Miscommunication by Basiri and Avila. Depa Milo to Espina. Espina to Romarate. To Ryan Bayot. Mid-range jumper. Wala pa rin. Dimaano, mid-range jumper, wala pa rin, Dimaano pa rin. Pass to Asiman. No good. Dimaano, stop bump, wala pa rin. Rebound by Espina. Espina to Depa Milo. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Avila. 6 minutes and 40 seconds on our second quarter. Basiri, floater. Grabe.
Charge timeout. John Sparta Force with 6 minutes 36 seconds.
Timeout is brought to you by Go Fitness. 18-32 in favor of 7 stakes Tomahawks. And we will be back after the timeout break.
the ball game. Remaining time 6 minutes and 26 seconds. Score 18-32. 7 State Tomahawks.
Back to the ball game. Ryan Bayot.
14 shooting.
And there's a foul on jersey number 25, Dimano.
Rex Dimano first foul.
Espina to Romarate. Romarate. No good pa rin. Ronel Basiri.
14 shot clock.
Ronel Basiri makes his move. What a crossover.
10 shooting.
Sayang yung
Single
pasa.
possession, 9 seconds for the shot clock, 9 seconds to shoot.
Ganda ng crossover.
9 shot clock.
Ronel Basiri. Ronel Basiri. Shot clock violation
Shot clock violation.
on 7 Stakes Tomahawks. Depa Milo. To Ryan Bayot. To Romarate. Romarate uses body strength. Grabe. Avila. Still by De Veria. Espina, derecho.
Good 32 points.
Dimano.
10
Dimano. Plays make. Rebound by Romarate. Pass to Depa Milo. And there's a foul basket.
That's gonna be foul versus number 16.
Foul on jersey number 16. First foul on Avila. Depamilo at the line, free throw line. He complete the 3-point play by Depamilo. Basiri now. Ato Hasiman. Block by Bayot. Steal by Bayot again. Steal by Basiri. Hasiman again. Hasiman. And there's a technical. Basket, technical free throw by Basiri. So, more remains at 7 stakes. Tomahawks.
11 seconds to shoot.
Out of bounds by Romarate. Charge timeout by 7 stakes Tomahawks.
With 3 minutes and 37 seconds, official word is score 25-33, 7 State Tomahawks.
Back to the ball game.
On the shot clock.
Basiri to Di Maano to Asiman. 5 seconds. Asiman, no good. Romarate, pass to De Pamailo, no good. Di Maano dribbles the ball. Di Maano. Well, no fouls call. De Pamailo dribble the ball. De Pamailo to Romarate. Basiri to Elumba, no good. And there's a foul on jersey number 25. Di Maano.
19 seconds shot clock. Score 35-33, 7-6 Tomahawks.
Romarate. Single possession. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Espina fires the mid-range jumper, and there's a foul. 25. The third foul on Dumano, warning for penalty on 7 Stakes Tomahawk. Good for 2 by Joseph Romarate. Grabe.
2 minutes.
Asiman. Good for 2. Epamailo. Last touch by De Pamailo. 7-6 ball. Ronald Basiri dribbles the ball. Guarded by De Beria.
14
Ronald Basiri to Avila to Elumba. Fouls the 3, no good. Romarate dribbles the ball. Romarate to Ryan Bayot to Espina, and use the board. Good for 2 by Espina.
Seconds play, 55 seconds.
2 seconds to play to end our second quarter. Di Maano. Solong-solo Di Maano.
45 seconds.
Espina to De Pamailo.
14
To Ryan Bayot.
35 seconds.
Ryan Bayot. Fires a 3, no good. Rebound by Basiri. 25 seconds. Di Maano fires the 3. Bang, bang, bang. 3 points is brought to you by Top Barbers of Zamboanga. Espina. Wonderful. Fires the 3, no good. Rebound by Avila. Pass to Basiri. 5 seconds. Basiri, step backs. Short. That ends of the second quarter of our first half.
29-40 in favor of Team 7 State Tomahawks.
So, Wednesday League would like to thank the following sponsors: Joan's Pharmacy, Kamayan Chill and Grill, Tough Barber Shop Zamboanga, Sinabuan Laundry Shop, Green and Sitel. Go Fitness, Palo, Amanda, Bay PH, Binalot de Zamboanga, Asadores, Sandali, Mood, Dong Inasal, and Master Sardines. Thank you for supporting Wednesday League.
Play the ball and to the third period, 7-6 Tomahawk score.
Starting for our third quarter. Basiri, guarded by Kong. Basiri for three. No good. Rebound by Romarate. Pass to Kong. Kong waiting for his teammate. 3 points ba? Wala. Rebound by Clayton Lao. Clayton Lao. Stop bomb. 3 points by Clayton Lao. 3 points is brought to you by Amanda Bay PH.
14 shot clock. 10 shooting.
Ayan. To De Pamilo. To Romarate. Romarate to De Pamilo.
Jersey number 25. Fourth personal foul, jersey 5, fourth foul, warning for foul down.
Warning for foul out on Di Maano. At the line, jersey number 18, De Pamilo. Basiri.
Shooting. 10 shot clock.
Clayton Lao. Clayton Lao.
9 shooting.
For 3. No good. Rebound by Ryan. To De Pamilo. De Pamilo. To Romarate. Ganda ng pasa. Ganda ng pasa.
14 shooting.
So 10-point lead by 7-6 Tomahawks.
10 shot clock.
Clayton Lao fires the 3. Napasobra. Pass to Nash Omar. Nash Omar. But there's a foul by Basiri.
Number 5. Ronald Basiri, first personal foul.
First personal foul on Basiri. Kong.
14 shooting.
Romarate.
10 shot clock.
Romarate to Ryan Bayot. Ganda.
Ryan Bayot.
Grabe. Asiman.
14 shooting.
Lumba to Avila.
10.
Asiman to Clayton Lao. No good by Clayton Lao. Nash Omar. There's a foul on jersey number 30.
First foul. 30 foul.
First foul on Clayton Lao. De Pamilo to Romarate. Romarate.
Shot clock.
Still by Clayton Lao. De Pamilo. Still by Asiman to Basiri. Basiri. To Clayton Lau. Clayton Lau. Lost the ball. Pass to Elumba. Elumba. Fires at Elumba. No good. Nash Omar. Basket is good. Basiri guarded by Nash Omar.
Substituted sub. Sable.
While on 17. Nash Omar.
Under the phone, jersey number 17, Nash Omar first foul.
Basiri, no good. And there's a foul. Clayton Lau. Basket count. Grabe.
And there is foul on jersey number 8. First foul on jersey number 8, Tino Fong, first foul. Remaining time 6 minutes and 2 seconds. Score 37-45, 7 State Tomahawks.
Depa Milo, no good. Depa Milo pa rin ang rebound. Pass to Romarate.
Single possession, 9 seconds on the shot clock. 9 seconds to shoot. With 5 minutes and 45 seconds, 9 shot clock.
Same ball possession by Joans Parma Force. 9 on the shot clock. 9 to shoot. They're down to 5 minutes and 45 seconds to end the third quarter, 37-45. Leading pa rin po ang 7 Stakes Tomahawks. Nash Omar to Romarate. Romarate to Nash Omar, spin move, no good. Nash Omar pa rin, Ginamit na talaga ang board para to secure the basket by Nash Omar. Basiri to Kong. Basiri to Asiman. To Clayton Lau. Guarded by Espina. Clayton Lau. No good. Grabe to si Clayton Lau.
5 minutes.
Nash Omar pass to Kong. 3 points. Brought to you by Golf Fitness. Grabe. So, down to 5-point lead by 7 Stakes Tomahawks. We will be back after the timeout break.
Back to the ball game, remaining time 4 minutes and 56 seconds. Official warning score 42-37 in favor of Team 7 State Tomahawks.
So back to the ball game, 4 minutes and 50 seconds on the third quarter. Basiri guarded by Nash Omar. To Asiman. Seaman to Dimaano. Dimaano. To Pasiri. Pasiri, long three, no good. And there's a foul on jersey number 16, Avila.
First foul. Warning for penalty. 7 Stakes Tomahawks. Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty on 7 Stakes Tomahawks. Under 4 minutes and 20. Mid-range jumper by Nashamar. Basket is good. Grabe. Play it loud to Dimaano. Dimaano. There's a 8 seconds violation. Ganda ng depensa ng Johannes Parma Force. Nashamar dribbles the ball. Nashamar pull up na naman. Grabe. Back-to-back basket by Nashamar. Clayton Lau. Clayton Lau to Hasiman. Hasiman. And there's a foul on Espina.
And there's foul. Espina. Fourth personal foul. Warning.
Fourth personal. Fourth personal foul on Espina. Warning for fouled out by Espina. Dimaano fires the 3. Rebound by Nashamar. Nashamar 1 versus 3. Pero binasing lang ni Nashamar. Grabe. Basiri. So 1 point lead by Johannes Parma Force. Hasiman. Hasiman to Basiri. And there's a foul on Ryan Bayot.
And there's a foul on verse number 3. Bayot, third foul. Warning for penalty. Johannes Parma Force.
So warning for penalty din ng Johannes Parma Force. Dimaano fires the 3. So good. Rebound by Kong. Kong to Nash Omar. Nash Omar. Ang bilis mo, pre. Grabe. Grabe, Nash Omar. Kondisyon na kondisyon. So, the lead changed to Johannes Parma Force. 3-point lead by Johannes Parma Force. Basiri, pass to Dimaano. Dimaano. Pull up jumper, good for 2.
Warning, jersey number 5, Wala Basiri for the Lady of the League. Official word score 49-50, 1.3. Johannes Parma Force.
So, matigit na labanan. Nashamar na naman. Grabe, Nashamar. Umiinit yung kamay. Clayton Lau. Clayton Lau to Avila. Avila to Dimaano. 5 seconds on the shot clock. 3 points pa. In and out. Nashamar. No good. 3 by Avila. Basiri. Clayton Lau. And there's a basket. No basket. Rather. So foul on De Vera. At the line, jersey number 30, Clayton Lau. First basket on Clayton Lau. He complete the 2-point free throw. By Clayton Lau. Leads down to 1. Johannes Parma Force leads for 52-51. Still by Basiri to Clayton Lau. Clayton Lau again. And there's a foul basket.
Wow, basket is good. And there's a foul on jersey number 9, personal foul.
Second personal foul on De Vera. Again at the line, Clayton Lau.
Remaining time 1 minute 4 seconds.
So change favor again. 7 Stakes Tomahawks takes the lead by 2. 54-52.
Score 52-54, 2.3, 7 State Tomahawks.
Nash Omar.
Play 55 seconds.
Nash Omar to De Vera. Fires the 3. De Vera, 3 points. Grabe. 3 points is brought to you by
40 seconds.
Centrally. So seconds to play.
14 shooting. 10 shot clock. 30 seconds.
Basiri. To Clayton Lau. Back to Basiri. Basiri. Still by Kong. Pass to Nash Omar. Nash Omar, solo. To change favor again. 3-point lead by Johannes Parma Force. 57-54. 10 seconds to end the third quarter. Di Maano. Basiri. No good. To end the third quarter.
John Sparta Force. Check the jump on Anante. 7 State Tomahawks ball. 7 State Tomahawks ball. Last and final quarter.
So back to the ball game, last and final quarter of this first match between 7 Stakes Tomahawks versus Johannes Parma Force. Clayton Lau. No good. Rebound by Romarate. To Nash Omar. To De Pamilo. No good. Wala pa rin De Pamilo. To Nash Omar. No good. Rebound by Basiri. To Di Maano. Fakes. Pass to Asiman. And there's a steal by Ryan Bayod. But out of bounds by Ryan Bayod. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Asiman. Long 2. Rebound by Romarate. Pass to Nash Omar. Grabe. Favorite yung mga pull-up jump by Nash Omar. Di Maano. No good. Rebound by Romarate. Nash Omar again. Layup good for 2. Grabe. Back-to-back basket by Nash Omar. Still by Kong to Romarate. To Nash Omar again. Pull-up jump. Grabe tong bata na to. Back-to-back basket by Nash Omar. Grabe tong shooting ni Nash Omar. Umiinit yung kamay. City to Clayton Lau. Clayton Lau. Good for 2 by Clayton Lau. To Ryan Bayot. Romarate. No good. Rebound by Depang Milo. Depang Milo to Kong.
5 to shoot.
Basiri dribbles the ball to Clayton Lau. Foul basket and 1. Foul on jersey number 3, Ryan Bayot again. Warning for foul out on Ryan Bayot. We're down to 7 minutes and 29 seconds to end our first game of this Wednesday League. No good on the last free throw by Clayton Lau. 63 to 58 in favor of Johannes Parma Force. Nash Omar again, pull-up jump. Grabe tong bata na to. Kanina pa talaga to si Nash Omar. Talaga yung kamay. City still by Romarate. Romarate pass to Nash Omar. Nash Omar. Nash Omar. Grabe tong Nash Omar. Grabe yung kamay. Clayton Lau dribbles the ball.
And there's a foul. On jersey number 1, Joseph Romarate.
There's a foul.
First foul.
There's number 21, Romarate.
2 shots. At the line, jersey number 30, way long, free throw line. Remaining time 6 minutes and 34 seconds.
Basket 1 by Clayton Lau. He complete the 2-point free throw by Clayton Lau. Nash Omar.
60-67.
Nash Omar. Again. Grabe tong bata na to. Nash Omar. Umiinit yung kamay. Mano to Clayton Lau. To Asiman. Asiman to Dimano. Fires for 3. No good. Nash Omar. Nash Omar again. Wala na. Rebound by Depang Milo. Kong. Fires the 3. No good. Depang Milo. Good for 2. So 9-point lead ba? 11-point lead by Johannes Parma Force. Clayton Lau. And there's a foul. On Espina, fouled out.
5 fouls. Substitution, third team foul.
So fouled out by Espina.
2 shots.
At the line, jersey number 30, Clayton Lau.
Sila lang to sa score.
Nash Omar pa to si Clayton Lau.
Grabe si Omar.
Clayton Lau complete the 2-point free throw. 5 minutes and 15 seconds to end our final quarter. Basiri, no good. Rebound by Clayton Lau. Clayton Lau again, no good. De Pamilo. No good. Nash Omar. Again. Nash Omar. Good for 2. Basiri. Guarded by De Pamilo.
14 shot clock.
Basiri.
And shoot.
Basiri fires the long 3.
Ronald Bassi.
Replays is brought to you by Binalot de Zamboanga. Nash Omar, Turo Marate. Grabe.
Charge timeout, 7 state Tomahawks. 1 timeout left, 7 state Tomahawks. 1 timeout left. Remaining time 4 minutes and 6 seconds. Back to bogey, remaining time 4 minutes and 6 seconds. Score 75-65 in favor of 7 state Tomahawks.
Back to the ball game. 10-point lead by Team Joan's Parma Forest. 4 minutes to end our last and final quarter. Clayton round for the rebound. Basket is good by Clayton Lau. De Pamilo. Rebound by Avila. Pass to Basiri. Out of bounds. 7 stakes Tomahawks. Ball. Basiri to Dimano. No good. Dimano for the rebound to Asiman. Asiman fires the 3. No good. Nash Omar. Nash Omar. Turo Marate to Kong. Kong fires the 3. No good. Basiri. Basiri. Good for Clayton Lau rather. Good for 2. Assisted by Basiri. De Pamilo. Still by De Pamilo. Dimano. Basiri. Dimano. Dimano. Avila for the rebound. Basiri. Basiri. Grabe yun.
Ronald Bassi, 42 points. Charge timeout, Jonas Fernandez. Remaining time 2 minutes and 2 seconds. Official warning score 71-75.
Special thanks to 7 Stakes Tomahawks. Abling Barbershop. Kamayan Chill and Grill. John's Pharmacy. Diane Resort. And thanks to Top Barbershop Zamboanga. Go Fitness. Centrally. Moods. Sinavan Laundry Shop. Dong and Asal and Master Sardines. So back to the ball game. Last 2 minutes. That's Omar crossover. Grabe yun.
1 minute 45 seconds.
Hey, Lau. Clayton Lau, no good. Pasiri again. Pasiri. 5 seconds. Pumukol ng 3. 3 points by Ronel Basiri. Brought to you by Kamayan Chill and Grill. So 3-point lead by Johan's Parma 4. Rebound by Clayton Lau.
15 seconds.
Basiri. To Di Maano. Diretsong, no good. Rebound by Bayon. To Di Pamilo. And there's the foul. Ronel.
7 foul, first foul. 57 seconds left. 20 seconds on the shot clock. 20 seconds to shoot. 57 seconds left.
Kong.
55.
Nashomar. Nashomar to Kong. Fires the 3. No. Rebound by Romarate.
30 seconds.
Nashomar. De Pamilo to Romarate again. To Kong. Kong. Pass to De Pamilo. Good for 2 by De Pamilo.
Charge timeout. Last timeout for 7 State Tomahawks. Seconds play 30 seconds. Play ball, seconds play 30 seconds. Official score 74-79 in favor of Jones Parma Force.
Back to the ball game. 30 seconds to end our final quarter. Basiri fires the 3. No good. 25 seconds ang natitira sa huling quarter. Itong first match between Johan's Parma Force versus 7 Stakes Tomahawks. De Pamilo to Kong. De Pamilo to Romarate.
15 seconds.
10 seconds.
5
Johan's Parma Force. Johan's Parma Force win on the first game of our Wednesday League. Congratulations on Johan's Parma Force. And Wednesday League would like to thank the following sponsors: Johan's Parma C, Kamayan Chill and Grill, Tough Barbershop Zamboanga, Cinnabon Laundry Shop, Go Fitness, Palo, Amanda Bayfish, Pinalo de Zamboanga, Asadores, Centrally, Moy, Dong Inasal, and Master Sardines. Yung wala na mention ko, thank you very much. You know, alam po kung sino kayo, alam nyo sa sarili nyo sino kayo, kung sino yung support sa Wednesday League. Thank you very much for supporting Wednesday League. And that's all for the first game of Wednesday League. Goodbye.